Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer. Tutorial 23, presenting your presentation. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft PowerPoint. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to the OneDrive folder, locate the file, work.pptx, double click on this. Let's just wait for that to load. In the meantime, we can minimize Finder for the moment. And so go to the menu bar, go to slideshow, make sure you have all your slides ready to present. Now let's click on the first slide, play from the start, or if we escape to go back, click on the second, play from current slide, escape to go back, present a view, which allows us to view and present in a more complex way with more features. We will be explaining all that in the near future. Stay tuned for that. Let's just end the show for the moment. Let's go to the first slide, play from start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. End of slideshow, click to exit. We can now go back to the first slide and quit PowerPoint. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.